Triangular field measurement. A farmer marks his field corners at 1, 1, B 5, 9 and C 9, 1. He wants to install a water pipeline along the hypotenuse if the field is right angle. Verify whether the field forms a right angle triangle or not. See, to check for right angle triangle, so suppose ABC, I need to check for right angle triangle. So first I'll find AB distance, BC and AC. Then I'll square all of them. After squaring, if I'll add any two and if I'll get the third, then it is a right angle triangle after squaring. Whatever, suppose if I'll get the third AC, sum of the squares of two sides, if it is equal to the square of the third side, then angle opposite to the third side is 90. Right angle will be at B, hypotenuse will be AC. So he want to install the pipeline along the hypotenuse, so along AC. So first we'll check, we'll find the distance, then we'll square and we'll add any two sides. If we'll add any two sides and if we'll get the third, then it is a right angle triangle. So first here I'll find the distance between A, B. A is 1, 1. B is 5, 9. So here these two I'll consider x1, y1, x2, y2. So distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here if I'll calculate AB distance, under root x2 5 minus x1 is 1 whole square, y2 9 minus 1 whole square. 5 minus 1 is 4 square, 9 minus 1 is 8 square. 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64. So 16 plus 64 is 80. You can write 80 units. You can simplify but not required because anyhow we'll square it. Now BC. B is 5, 9. C is 9, 1. So here this is x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. So distance formula is here for BC under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now I'll find the distance BC under root 9 minus 5 whole square 1 minus 9 whole square. So it is 9 minus 5 is 4 square, 1 minus 9 is minus 8 whole square. So it is 16 plus 64, which is nothing but root 80 units. So BC is root 80 units. Now I'll find the distance between A and C. So here A is 1, 1, C is 9, 1. A is 1, 1 and C is 9, 1. So here A x1, y1, x2, y2. So distance between AC under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If we'll substitute the values here, under root 9 minus 1 whole square and 1 minus 1 whole square. 9 minus 1 is 8 square, 0 square. So it is root 64. AC is root 64. Now I'll square all of them. So AB square, which is root 80 whole square, which is nothing but 80. BC square, root 80 whole square, which is nothing but 80. AC square, root 64 whole square, square root cancel, which is nothing but 64. Now see here, if you'll add any two sides after squaring, see 80 plus 64, you'll not get 80. And 80 plus 80, 160, you'll not get 160. So if you'll add any two sides after squaring, you're not getting the third one. See, because Pythagoras, converse of Pythagoras theorem states, in a triangle, if you take any triangle, the sum of the squares of two sides, if it is equal to the square of the third side, then the angle opposite to the third side will be 90. This will be 90. But here we are not getting equal to the third side. Therefore, ABC will not form a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle.